Well, hello there, AniCod here. I told you I'd be back soon. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to automate your crafting. Really what I'm doing is teaching you how to use the different components you'll need to do it. It's pretty straightforward. All you'll need is a storage adapter to put on top of your storage box, an industrial conveyor that moves items from one place to another, and finally an industrial crafter that actually makes the items. You'll need a few other bits too, like a workbench, but I'll show you how that works soon. So you're going to start with a storage box. Make sure you place the storage adapter on top of it, and make sure that your in and out ports are the correct way around. This just makes life a little bit easier for you. Oh, and one more thing, you don't have to power these up. Once you've done that, put your conveyor somewhere convenient. These conveyors will be in between the storage adapter and your constructor, so put it somewhere reasonable. And then on the other side, make sure you put your workbench. Now, after you've placed your workbench, you'll see that the constructor actually attaches to the bench. You can put it in the middle or on the top, depending where you want it and where your pipes are going to be running. I'm putting mine on the bench because it's pretty much in line with the conveyor, so the pipes will be a little bit neater. Next, you can grab your pipe tool and connect the storage adapter to the input of the conveyor. This is why you need to make sure everything's the correct way around. This will then pull items from the box into the conveyor. Make sure you connect the out of the conveyor into the in of the constructor. Again, make sure your conveyor and your constructors are powered. If you're not sure what node to use, there is a handy blue arrow to help you on these, so don't panic, just go for that. On the conveyors, there is a handy pass-through. This means you can use this to connect the rest of your components without having to go from your battery or your generator in my case. And once everything's powered, you're almost ready to go. There is one more step. You do need a blueprint. If you don't know how to make blueprints, you will need a research table. Put an item in there that you want to automate crafting, throw in some scrap and press research. You'll see the little timer at the bottom. When that hits 0, it'll spit out a blueprint for you. Drag it into your inventory and then make your way over to the constructor. You'll see the constructor's got 3 lines. One for your blueprints because you can craft more than one thing at a time. An input, which is for the components you're going to be transferring from your box. And the output, which is the constructed items from your blueprint. Now, I know the 5.56 round is made from gunpowder and metal frag, so you'll need to make sure that these 2 items are in the box for the conveyor. If you're not sure, open up your crafting table and you can have a look what's needed. You can set the conveyor to only accept certain items. This means you can use your box for storage and not worry about parts being dragged out into your constructor for no reason. Remember to turn everything on and there you go. You've just automated your crafting. It's really that easy. If you want to make sure your constructor is emptied into a box, then just put another box down, fit a storage adapter. Oh, and by the way, this won't work. You need to remember you need a conveyor. So again, slap it on the wall, pipe it up the correct way around. Make sure it's powered. Again, you can program it if you want to. It depends what you've got being constructed, but that's your call. If in doubt, have a quick look at the screen and it'll show you exactly what's being transferred. And as you can see, my box is now filling up nicely with 5.56 rounds. So there is a way that you can connect more than one box if you've got lots of components. And all you have to do is use one of these combiners. It's very, very simple. Make sure you put it facing the right way, connect them together, and as you can see here, I've got one box for the GP and one box for the frag. Again, if in doubt, just look at your LCD screen to make sure the light's green and not red, and you'll be able to also see exactly what items are being passed through to the next component. And that's it, nice and easy. I hope it makes sense. It is a little bit different to the normal circuit videos, but it's still straightforward. Again, I'll be making lots more videos now, so if you've made it this far, let me know you're a legend and I'll give you an AniCod heart. If you do want me to cover anything, let me know down below and I'll get round to it. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.